What's up, Ninja Squad? Welcome back to Ninja KIDZ TV! Yeah! Today, we have the most requested video that we have ever had. And you guys all know what we're doing today, right?
Of course.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
How do you guys know what we're doing
We know
today?
what we're doing.
Yeah, we know what we're doing.
She doesn't know what we're doing.
What are you guys up to?
I have a special Father's Day request.
And you have to say yes because it's like Father's Day, you know?
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
We have had this request from thousands of people to teach people how to do a backflip! And we all know how to do a backflip.
Yeah, we know how to do a
We
backflip.
know how to do a backflip.
But Ninja Mommy needs to join the club.
So we can teach you guys how to do a backflip by you watching us teach Ninja Mommy how to do a backflip.
Okay, I've always wanted to like learn how to do a backflip, but it was always like in the future. Like every time they're like, would you like to learn? It's like, yeah, sure. Now it's like a whole different.
Can you really keep the title Ninja Mommy if you don't know how to do a backflip?
Ooh, that's true. That's true. I think you need to do it.
Oh my goodness. I am so on the spot right now. I can't believe you guys are all in on this.
And maybe Kaysen can learn how to do a backflip.
You first, you first.
Maybe next time you won't get put on garbage duty if you know how to do a backflip.
Well, Jason, I guess we got to work on our backflips. We got garbage duty instead.
Harsh, harsh.
Well,
Oh
let's
my
get this
goodness.
thing started. Kick off those heels.
Yeah, get those heels.
Let's do this!
Woo!
3, go! All right, you ready for that? We're actually gonna start on the trampoline. You've never done a backflip on the trampoline, so that's gonna be a first as well, but it's a great way to start. Good job on the backflip, guys.
Yeah, let's go to the trampoline.
First thing on the trampoline is you gotta have a good bounce. And I'm gonna be spotting people, so I'm gonna be bouncing along with Peyton. You ready?
Yes.
This is a demonstration. So every time she goes up, she's gonna raise her hands up and circle them around. Let's go, ready? 3 bounces. 1, 2, 3. And that's the first part. Woo, nice job, Pay. Ready?
Ninja Mommy's turn.
Right now?
Yep.
Yeah, 3 jumps.
3 jumps. I think we should have Kason go first.
Yeah.
That's a great idea.
1, 2, 3. You gotta get those arms way up over your head, okay? 1, 2, 3. Arms up. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Woo, nice
Nice
job.
jumps.
We're going
Jumping,
on.
I'm not afraid of. That I could do. That's fine.
We're going on to step number 2. Jump up, and you're gonna bring your knees up. 1, 2, 3. Nice job, Peyton. That's the demonstration. Ready, Casey? 2, 3. Okay, you gotta get a lot higher, all right? 2, 3. Woo!
Yeah.
Nice job. Step number 3. So this time you're gonna jump. You're gonna do the same thing, but you're gonna land in my arms.
Okay.
2, 3. Just like this.
Let's see how this goes, guys.
3.
I messed up. You didn't go back.
And you've got to tuck.
Okay, not bad. That takes a little bit of practice. You gotta get up and you gotta lean back, get those knees up to your chest. Ready? One more time.
Okay, Kason.
1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Look at that. Nice.
Pull those knees in tight. Yes, so you can see Kaysen's position. He's got his knees pulled in tight, but they are not together because you don't want to hit yourself in the nose with your knee, right?
All right.
Nice
You
job.
ready, Ninja Mommy?
Are you for reals right now?
For real, so let's
Yeah.
do this. Okay, here we go.
Don't drop me, don't drop me.
This is step number 3.
Okay, yeah, I'm like, hold on. Okay.
You just jump into our arms.
I've been trying to get her to do this for
It's
18
been all,
years,
it's been
right?
19 years he's
Almost
been
19
trying.
years.
1, 2,
2, 3.
sorry. I'm sorry.
You're not even flipping yet.
I know,
We're
but I
just
don't want you
catching
to drop me.
We're not gonna drop you. 3.
Yeah!
That was awesome.
That was great. That was so good. Peyton's demonstrating step 4. We're gonna start with step 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And now step 4, I'm just gonna bring her around and she's gonna put her feet down. And that's it.
You got it, Kason.
You got this.
2, 3.
Oh, yeah.
Good. And you ready?
Oh,
Not bad.
yeah,
It's
buddy.
the same as step 3. We're just gonna catch you.
And flip me over.
Yep, that's
Well.
step 4. Now guys, if you're lucky enough to have a good spotter, that's the safest way to learn how to do a backflip. But make sure that if somebody's spotting you, they're actually trained to do it properly. 3.
Yeah!
Good. Ready? Keep your knees in, flex your feet, because you can't land on pointed toes. And 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah! You did it!
That was so scary.
Yeah, she did it.
You only have one more step.
Step 5 is the same as step 4, just smooth without stopping. Ready, Pay? 3. All right, not bad, not bad. Now, usually it's a good idea to practice each step several times, 10 or 20 times.
That is a good idea.
But we're gonna see if Kaysen can do it right now. You ready, Kaysen?
Kaysen, you got this. I believe
You got this.
Come on, Kaysen.
Come on, you got this. This is
1,
gonna be awesome.
2, 3.
Yeah! That was pretty much a backflip. Woo!
You ready, Allie?
Does it matter if I'm ready? You better not expect any other gifts. This is the gift.
This is it. This is the best gift ever. I wonder if I'm the only husband who's ever asked his wife to learn how to do a backflip on Father's Day.
I would like to know too.
3.
Yeah! She almost landed it too. That was awesome.
Kind of a rush.
We're gonna practice that several more times until they're a little more comfortable and smooth, and then we'll see if they can do it without us.
Yes.
By myself today? Why couldn't he just want a barbecue or something? Come on.
Oh yeah!
What did you just do?
Something awesome.
That was sweet. Whoa! That is an epic double front flip.
I don't know if I feel better about this after watching that.
You're just doing singles today, don't worry. All right, let's see Ashton. Okay, that was crazy.
That was awesome. I over-rotate a little bit. There we go. Woo!
I think that was Ashton's first time ever landing a double backflip on this trampoline.
Yeah.
Please tell me I don't have to do that today.
You're doing that tomorrow.
2, 3.
All right, you guys start jumping
Every
a little higher
time.
now. We're gonna help you get lift. We don't want to catch you anymore. We're getting you lift and then making sure you get around. So that was better.
1.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Oh, she landed it! Woo!
3.
Oh!
I reached for the tramp.
Don't reach for the ground. That'll make you go down. You want to keep your rotation
Yeah.
going.
You gotta lift your chest up so you can stand up tall.
Reach for the sky.
3.
Oh, wait, I couldn't remember if I was jumping on 3 or if we counted 3. Sorry. Just a little bit of a freak out. It's okay.
Oh, you did not jump at all.
Gotta go up.
One thing that's really important is bringing your knees to your chest so you can lean back and not bringing your chest to your knees.
So
I
you're
doing that?
up, knees up, not up, chest down.
3.
That was so high!
She went high, but she had no rotation at all.
Well, now you just got to bring your knees up faster, and then you'll make it.
Guys, there's so many things. 2, 3.
Perfect.
Nice
That was awesome.
The goal is that we're trying to touch her less and less so that she's doing it pretty much by herself. Woo! Not bad, not bad. She fell short, but we need to let her start falling short so that she knows that she's got to do the work, not us.
Right.
How's Kaysen doing over there?
He's doing pretty good. He's relying on me a lot. He's just going.
1, 2, 3. You gotta tuck. He didn't tuck.
You got it, buddy. Ready? 3.
That was an awesome one.
Okay.
That was awesome.
Allie's getting so close. We're gonna spot her a few more times, but we're gonna spot less and less. You ready?
You can do it.
I don't know.
Maybe try doing it with just Dad now.
You ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. You got this.
Why am I so scared without Brighton here?
This is her first time trying it with only one spotter.
1. Oh, wait. 1, 2.
3.
Oh,
Stop,
wow.
stop, stop, stop. Your arms have to go up when you go up. Ready?
I don't know.
Just
I thought I
bounce.
was.
Just get a little bounce first.
Now I don't know how to lift up my arms.
2, 3.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
All right.
Okay.
I'll stand there one more time.
3. Okay, no problem. You
And
got it.
I didn't help at all.
You promise?
I promise.
Okay.
Yeah, jump big, tuck fast.
I
You
believe
got
in
it.
you.
1,
2.
3.
That was awesome.
I feel good. Okay.
I think she's got this.
Are you gonna help me?
I'm gonna be here. I'll help you if you need help.
It's the same.
Really?
Oh.
You're gonna do it without me?
Okay, guys, she's going for it, I guess.
First backflip in my life, ever.
1, 2.
Sorry.
YOLO.
Did you say only live once? I'm afraid I'm only gonna live till now. That's the problem.
1, 2, 3. Go! You didn't
One
go.
more time, I go. I'm
1,
going.
2, 3. Go!
Yo!
I feel pretty cool.
She
All right,
did her first try by herself. That's crazy.
I get to keep the title Ninja Mommy. And if I can do it, anybody watching can do it. Anybody. I can't believe I landed. I was expecting to eat tramp. Like, I knew my face was gonna be like sliding across the tramp, but it wasn't.
That was awesome. That was the best Father's Day gift ever. Way to go. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Good job.
Okay.
How about this little boy? He's gonna need a little more practice, so we're gonna keep working with him, right, Queso?
Yeah.
He'll get it, right?
He'll get it.
Yeah! I wanna see it again. Let's see it again.
Oh!
Yes.
Two in a
She's
row.
got it down. That was a beautiful backflip.
Right?
Awesome. How's it feel?
Why did I not do this like 19 years ago, like 20 years, like when I was a kid? Come on!
She's
That's-
a natural.
It feels awesome, right?
I feel pretty cool
She
right
got
now.
it so fast in like 30 minutes. That's it.
Are you excited now that you saw your mom do it?
Yes.
You guys got to give a like for Allie, the Ninja Mommy. She gets
That was amazing.
And if you want to see Kason learn how to do a backflip, give this video a like. How many likes does it need for you to learn your backflip?
100.
100? All right, 100 likes.
How many?
No, 110.
110 likes apparently. I think we're gonna hit that.
I don't think he understands like how many likes we get. But anyways, 110.
Go to ninjakids.store to check out some awesome merch. Woo!
Catch you guys next time.
Thanks for being awesome.
Peace.